Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Create with Kayla. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be making this Dollar Tree diaper cake in collaboration with Magdalena Pryorel. Here's some of her work. I'm going to display it here on the screen. Just make sure you head over to her page to check out her nail DIYs from the Dollar Tree. They're really pretty and I enjoy watching them. As well as we both stepped away from our comfort zones and we created these nice diaper cakes using Dollar Tree products. This last nail DIY of hers is a butterfly and I thought it would go perfectly with the diaper cake that I'm creating. Make sure you head over to her channel after you watch this video and I will link her down below. Now let's get started. Alright, first what you're going to do is get a roller from the Dollar Tree and cut out the foam board. This is also a Dollar Tree product and this is going to act as your base for the diaper cake. Alright, what you're going to need is a paper towel roll, the recycled part of it, or what I did was use my Cricut roll and glue this onto the base. Alright, here are the diapers that I got from the Dollar Tree. They come in 5 in a pack, and here is just some more that I got. It was just cheaper to buy the 44 pack instead of buying them for $1. You're also going to need some elastic bands from the Dollar Tree, and you're just going to roll it until the end and then secure the diaper. Yes, I know they're two different sizes. This is all they had at the Dollar Tree was a size 3, so I'm also going to use some newborn ones. Okay, for the bottom tier, what you're going to do is grab a green rubber band from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack, and this is going to hold all your lower diaper tier in place. So what I did was I made sure they were all turned and facing the same way. If they weren't, then I had to switch them up. So just rotate and put the diapers in one at a time. These are the Dollar Tree Looney Tunes diapers. They're in a size 3 only because that was the smallest size they had, and I didn't even know that Dollar Tree carried diapers. But I didn't want to make the whole entire cake Dollar Tree diapers only because I wanted her to be able to use this in the future when she has the baby, and I don't think she wants to use Dollar Tree diapers. So that's why I put them all at the bottom. And they come in 5 in a pack, and I bought about 5 packs. So this is about 25 diapers. Now that the first tier is done, this is what it looks like. We're going to start with the next tier. Now I'm going to be using the regular diapers that I got from the store, and you're just going to add them in the same way you did with the bottom tier. Okay, so I ended up adding about 26 to 27 diapers on the second tier, and we're going to start on our top tier. And this one I only added 6, but then I started adding more and I didn't like it, so I ended up taking them off. So only add 6 to the top. So you want this layer to be very thin. So I grabbed some Dollar Tree ribbon, and what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take this white lace off of there because I didn't like it. So you just kind of have to pull it and then cut off the seam of it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is get the ribbon and secure it to the diaper cake, but I am going to leave the rubber bands on because they're going to keep the diaper cake secure and you're not going to see them because the ribbon is going to be on top of it. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to hot glue the ribbon together. Try not to touch the diapers. You want to make sure that they don't have as much chemicals and items on top of them, and just secure each one with the hot glue. Alright, to add some extra brightness to the diaper cake, we're going to add this orange ribbon that I got at the Dollar Tree. What I'm doing here is I'm just cutting and measuring the width of each tier of the diaper cake, and then we're going to tie it in a bow. So here are the butterflies that I picked from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of these sticks from the Dollar Tree, and this was my first initial thing, but then I decided to change my mind with the sticks and the butterfly. I'll add them at the end, as well as I decided to glue some butterflies on the ribbon. Okay, now we're going to get some sticks from the Dollar Tree, and what we're going to do is create a branch for the butterflies to sit on, and that way we're not putting too much chemicals on the diaper. Now you're just going to prop your stick up onto the diaper cake. You're not going to glue it down just yet. And you're going to start gluing your butterflies onto the stick. And you can use a ribbon because it's not touching the diapers. As well as the butterflies, how I did it was I did all the big ones at the bottom, and then I went to the medium size, and then I'm going to go smaller. In order to secure this, you're going to grab another stick and then glue them into the paper towel or Cricut roll hole. That way it doesn't fall when you carry the diaper cake. Now I'm just putting on the rest of the butterflies, and I forgot to record a video of me putting a string around the base of the diaper cake so you can't see that foam board. You can use whatever you want to cover up the foam board. I use nautical rope, and here's your final look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to head over to Magdalena's page and check out her diaper cake, as well as don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell if you'd like to be notified every time I upload.